is 3:45 p.m. on a winter's Thursday. Maheshwari, the matriarch, is taking an innocent stroll past the local tea stall. But is everything as innocent as it seems? With calculated stealth, Maheshwari inches towards the stall, her focus honed in on a sack of potatoes. Yet she has no coin to purchase them with, so she must resort to an ancient bovine strategy: treachery. But the shopkeeper knows her tricks. Maheshwari is chased away by the cruel stick. She escapes justice to steal potatoes another day. Stay tuned for our next episode on Monkey vs. Man on Criminals of Bolpur.